Hi folks, my name is Danny Jackson. I am the CEO at PathoControl and a partner at Monoparts Technology LLC. I'd like to guide you through a few features of our PathoControl systems. If you do the math, in a 2,000 square foot area with about an 8-foot ceiling at 150 cubic feet per minute, every 2 hours, every molecule of air in your 2,000 square foot area has passed through the machine. An industrial system that needs a setting like an office or a home needs a pretty face, and we build pretty faces. The exterior case of the PathoControl P150 system comes in your choice of up to 15 different colors. All of the surfaces on the exterior of the machine are coated with a furniture-grade linoleum called Forbo. Forbo is, in and of itself, naturally antimicrobial. The machine can be oriented on its side or standing up. You can put it on the floor, you can put it on a stand, you can put it on a table. The system plugs into a standard 120 volt outlet. Maintenance is as simple as a monthly inspection, a quarterly cleaning, and an annual lamp and reactor pad change out. If you can change the filter in your AC system or change a light bulb in one of your lamps, you can maintain this system for years to come. The system operates at a nominal noise level of 55 decibels at 157 hertz. Typical conversation takes place at about 60 to 65 decibels. A whisper quiet library is about 30 to 35 decibels. So it's a little louder than a whisper and a little quieter than typical conversation. We have an efficacy studies page available on our website.